trip to Crown Heights to the Jewish Children's Museum.
JKC is Friday because we just started the week.
My favorite part of JKC is too hard to choose.
Love doing homework at JKC because the Morahs helps.
It's very quiet. No one's disturbing you.
The Morahs help me with any question I have. My favorite activity is going to the park. I love soccer because I like to run around.
Soccer because I get to score goals.
I love baking the Oreo cake.
Did a vanilla cake with sprinkles.
My favorite thing is making challah.
We made cookies with Hebrew letters because it has vanilla and it's tasty.
My favorite thing is making the s'mores pie. Making cake pops. My favorite thing is brownies. My favorite art project in JKC is making cup symbols for washing our hands in the morning. Decorating caps. Making pillows for Pesach.
I like drama because I get to act out stories from the past.
In drama, I learned a ton of stories.
I love the Zappy because we get to play fun games, and I love drama because we get to act characters. I love Aleph Champ because I want to learn all the letters in Hebrew.
When I grow up, I'm gonna be all the way to black level.
My favorite part of Aleph Champ is getting a cookie, of course, and passing levels.
My favorite dinner in JKC is schnitzel with tomato.
Favorite dinner at JKC is pizza and fries. Taco Tuesday.
My favorite part of the dinner is salad. My favorite meal in JKC is the chicken soup with matzo. They are very delicious.
I learned at JKC to love every single Jew.
To always be a proud Jew and know that Hashem is always protecting me in everything I do.
I learned how to keep Shabbat in JKC. I learned that every person has a godly soul inside, and whenever we do mitzvahs, we bring light into the world.
JKC, I learned how to pray to God.
I learned that every Jew has a soul.
I learned all the Jewish holidays in JKC. I wear a kippah and a tatis.
I know that every Jew is protected.
My favorite holiday is Rosh Hashanah because I like dipping apples in honey. Purim because we get to dress up.
Favorite holiday is Purim because we give charity to the poor people.
My favorite holiday is Pesach because we sing the Morahs.
My favorite mitzvah is making kiddush on Shabbat. My favorite mitzvah is to share with others.
We visited the sick and made calls and gave them to them.
My favorite mitzvah is to say kind words and never say bad words.
To respect my parents.
Lighting the Shabbos cake.
Loving every Jew.
Putting on tzitzit. To help people. My favorite mitzvah is giving tzedakah.
Helping a grandma cross the street. Being nice to my friends. My favorite mitzvah is to light Shabbat candles.
My favorite mitzvah is respecting our parents and older people than us. Morahs because they keep me safe. I love my Morahs because they're so kind of patient.
I love my Morahs because every time I get upset or I feel sad, they always tell me to be positive and they help me a lot.
I love the Morahs because we always play with them. I love my Morahs because they ask me my day.
I really like the Morahs because they always make the classroom fun.
I love the Morahs because they tell us so many stories about being Jewish.
In JKC, I'm going to miss going to pick up the children, seeing their smiles on their faces, the wonderful contributions they make to the class, to the lessons, and just all the atmosphere of JKC.
I'm going to miss JKC because of the kids and seeing them smiling every day and interacting with each other, and I wish you guys have an amazing summer.